Hello everyone, welcome back to Ninja Education. This is third lesson of 5th standard factors and multiples. In the previous part of this chapter, we learned about how to find factors and what are prime numbers and composite number. Today we are going to learn prime factorization. If you don't know how to find factors and what are prime and composite numbers, then I recommend you to watch previous parts first. Then watch this one. So before we start today's part, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So dear students, today we are going to learn prime factorization. Before we learn prime factorization, first understand what is factorization. Factorization means finding factors of a number, okay? There are two types of number, prime numbers and composite number that we learned in our previous part. Prime numbers have only two factors, which is 1 and the number itself, whereas composite numbers have more than two factors, right? So finding factor of a number is called factorization, right? Now what is prime factorization? Before we jump into the definition, let's consider this number 12. How can we make 12 by multiplying two numbers? We know that 2 6 are 12, right? 2 into 6 equal to 12. We know that if we multiply two or more number to each other and the number we get as a result is called product, okay? So 12 is a product here and the number which multiplied to each other are called factors, okay? So 2 and 6 are factors. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12, right? But 2 and 6 both are prime numbers? No, only 2 is prime number, whereas 6 is composite number, okay? We can write 6 like, okay, first of all we are going to write 2 as it is, and we can write 6 like 2 multiplied by 3, okay? 2 3s are 6, right? So we will write 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6 and equals to 12, okay? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, okay? Now all these numbers are prime numbers, okay? So children, a number or a composite number can be shown as a product of prime number. This is called prime factorization. Easy, right? Again, a number can be shown as the product of prime factors. This is what we call prime factorization. If we normally found factors of 12, what are they? First of all, 1 multiplied by 12, we get 12, okay? 3 4s are 12, right? And 2 6 are 12, okay? So what are factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. If exam there is a question like find factors of 12, then the answer will be 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are factors of 12, right? But if the question is find prime factorization of 12, so what would be the answer? The answer would be prime factorization of 12 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, ओके? किसी नंबर को प्राइम नंबर्स की प्रोडक्ट बताना उसी को कहते हैं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. Easy, right? So dear students, there are two methods to do prime factorization. First is factor tree method and second is division method. Let's learn it about in details. So dear students, first method of doing prime factorization is factor tree method, okay? In this method we factorize a number till we get prime factors, okay? जब तक हमें prime factors नहीं मिल जाते तब तक हम number के factors find करते हैं, okay? For example, let's consider number 16, okay? How do we get number 16? We get number 16 by multiplication of 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16, right? So we will write 2 multiplied by 8, okay? So 2 8s are 16. But here only 2 is prime number, whereas 8 is composite number. So we will write this 2 as it is, and we know that 2 4s are 8, okay? So this multiplication that we are going to write here. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 multiplied by 4, we get 8. Okay. Now here 2 and 2 are prime numbers, but 4 is composite number. Again we will write this 2 as it is multiplication, this 2 as it is multiplication, and we know that 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, so you can see this structure is looking like a tree. Okay, and also we found every prime factors. So this method is called factor tree method. Okay, so the prime factorization of 16 is the prime factorization of 16 equal to, what is the answer? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. The prime factorization of 16 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is how we do prime factorization of a number using factor tree method. Okay, now second method is using division method. Okay, in this method we start dividing a given number by the smallest number and we keep dividing the number by prime numbers till we get 1. ओके, इस मेथड में हम दिए गए नंबर को डिवाइड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से. ओके, और हम तब तक डिवाइड करते हैं जब तक हमें 1 मिल नहीं जाता इन द एंड. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज सेम एग्जांपल 16. We will not do division like this. Okay, we are going to draw a different structure like this. Okay, so what did I tell you? I tell you we are going to do division with the smallest prime number, which is 2. Okay, so if we divide 16 by 2, what we get? 8. Okay, 2 8s are 16, right? Now how can we divide 8 by 2? If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4, right? 2 4s are 8. Now how can we divide 4 by 2? 2 2s are 4, right? And how can we divide 2? 2 1s are 2. Okay, so we got 1 in the end. So we will divide the number till we get 1 in the 8. Okay, so what are prime factors of 16? Prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is division method. Let's take one more example. Let's divide 72. If we divide 72 by 2, always remember we are going to start from the smallest prime number, which is 2. Okay, so if we divide 72 by 2, we get 36, right? We know that 18 2s are 36. If you know tables from 11 to 20, you will know that 18 2s are 36, right? So again we are going to divide by 2 and we'll write 18. Okay, 18 2s are 36, right? Now how do we get 18? We know that 2 9s are 18. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 9, we get 18. Now can we divide 9 by 2? No, we cannot divide 9 by 2. Okay, because 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. There is no 9 in the table of 2. So we will try with number 3. And yes, we can divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we will write 3 here and 3 3s are 9. We got the number 9. Now last is easy. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so we got 1 in the end. So here our division ends. So prime factorization of 72 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so doing prime factorization with division method is also very easy, right? So dear students, in this part we learned about prime factorization, which was very easy, right? In the next part we are going to learn about highest common factor, HCF, which is very important topic. If you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.